Hi there, my name is Trevor, and last year I designed stuff like this telescope, this FPV drone, and this hydroponic garden. Fast forward to 2025, I set a goal of making 52 projects, big or small, by the end of the year. I'm already 3 projects deep, and I've posted these makes on my Instagram. However, here on this channel, I want to document more of the design process of the remaining 49 projects, sharing the tools and resources I used to bring my ideas to life. I was actually preparing to start with last week's project, which was a modular 3D printed desk organizer, but I mostly just goofed tolerances and reprinted constantly, so it was kind of boring. No. However, if you ever need to model something with USBs, micro SD cards, or anything else on this list, here are the dimensions that ended up working for me. I hope to provide tips like these in future videos and inspire you to make your own projects. Anyways, thanks for watching, and I hope to see you next time.